Everybody, it's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and check out this icon right here. This is the Caboodles On-The-Go Girl, and yes, this is exactly as you probably remember seeing these in your life back then. This here was to organize all your makeup or anything else, and so this retro design is absolutely amazing, and I actually ended up picking one of these up for my little girl so she can actually organize her little accessories for her Barbies, so you don't have to use it for makeup. And just what I love is just this classic design, and it's got this glittery pink purple-ish plastic to it. And there's going to be just tons of organization in here. Again, it's going to have this little lock to keep it in place and then a handle for her to carry it around. But she can go ahead and put all her accessories in here. I just love the different storage and all these different compartments. There is a mirror too built in. And then you get some trays to take out, and more accessories can go in here too as well. And maybe some of her larger Barbies are going to go in here. She was asking for something to just keep her stuff organized. So this is something that I saw that I wanted to get her because I love this classic retro design. And this is just nicely keep everything organized. And you have this little handle and she can be on her way. So definitely check this out if you're looking to maybe organize your makeup or any little accessories that your little kiddos may have. Definitely check out this Caboodles by On-The-Go Girl.